of a fighter pilot, Congress got in a real street fighter, Mr. Dinesh Chaudhary, and the original Telangana fighter was KCR. So now it's fighter versus fighter, and it seems that Revanth Reddy has managed to fight harder for his Congress. Is that the reason why your Chief Minister is so emotional all of a sudden? Is this fear?
Padmaja, KCR Garu has always had an emotional bond with the people of Telangana, and he always talks to them as a father talks to his children. So, trying to make something out of his speech, I don't think that works. And also, we can't compare KCR ji with Revanth Reddy or somebody else. Revanth Reddy is a person who has been caught red-handed while trying to buy MLAs. Revanth Reddy has many extortion cases against him, many encroachment cases against him, blackmailing cases against him. So he can't be compared with KCR ji. And the bubble of Congress will never materialize. All the hype which they are trying to create will definitely be burst on December 3rd.
Same thing about your party and your Chief Minister, that he is to be seen more in his farmhouse than in the Secretariat.
Well, they can make whatever allegations they want, but Telangana has been making progress in leaps and bounds, and it is number one in India in many parameters. Why does Telangana rank number one in the per capita income in India if KCRG is not performing? Why is the GSDP growth rate of Telangana highest in India if KCRG is not performing? Why is Telangana has the highest per capita power usage in India if KCRG is not performing? How come we have surplus water even when entire India is facing shortage of water due to lack of monsoon rains? And how come Telangana has the highest number of
100 people standing against KCR, both from Gajwel and from Kamareddy? Young men who don't have jobs, who feel cheated, are now fighting elections. Close to 100 in both the seats that he's fighting. Why?
Padmaja, they might be people who are influenced by the opposition parties, but we have laid down a challenge. Our Minister KTRG has laid down a challenge. We have fulfilled highest number of government jobs in these past 9.5 years. Show me one state which has conducted recruitments of more than us. Show me one state in India which has recruited filled up more than government jobs in these past 9 years. Can they answer?
Okay, let's go around the table. Let's try and figure out the mystery of why the Chief Minister is emotional. Sanju Reddy, why is KCR talking about Telangana formation all of a sudden? Is this the emotional connect or is this fear?
Is that for me?
Sanju Verma, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Yes, Sanju Verma, I'm so sorry.
Sanju Reddy. Okay, never mind. I was wondering, Padmaja ने मेरा नामकरण कर दिया नया on live show. Anyway, Padmaja, you know,
Go on.
Yes, thank you, Padmaja. Padmaja, I just have this to say. You know, the BRS spokesperson was lying through his teeth and brazenly at that. I will not use shamelessly at that. You said Telangana has the highest GSDP. Telangana is the 9th largest economy, not the highest. You said Telangana has the highest per capita income. Telangana has the 7th largest per capita income, not the highest per capita income. But I will tell you a few things where Telangana is number one. Telangana for the last 3 months on an average has the highest inflation rate at 9% plus, and the only state giving it competition is Rajasthan. Telangana is the state which was hauled up by the RBI for treating RBI loans as grants. RBI had hauled up and suspended loans to Telangana for a brief period because Telangana government was fudging its books. I will tell you which is the one state, be it Nizamabad, be it Adilabad, be it Karimnagar, be it Mehboob-nagar, if there is one thing common to all these areas in Telangana is that the midday meal scheme for children, for school-going children run by the KCR government has seen the highest number of, illnesses and deaths among minors and children as young as 6 years, 7 years or 8 years old. The midday meal scheme of Telangana government has been a complete
Why is there
disaster.
this emotional
You tell me
outreach
one more
then?
thing. You tell me one, Padmaja, please, I heard it for a long time. You said that we will give 20 lakh urban households and 60 lakh rural households clean piped drinking water via the Project Bhagirath scheme. You failed to deliver. It was the BJP which gave the people of Telangana via the Jal Jeevan Mission clean drinking water. You first said we will build the Kaleshwaram project for 3,000 crore. Then you said the cost of Kaleshwaram project has gone up to 30,000 crore. Then you had to take the central government's permission. The Kaleshwaram project will now be fully completed at a cost of over 1 lakh crore. Batao aisa kyun hua? The three things that any government should be conscious about is accountability, accessibility, and affordability. The Telangana government is neither accessible,
You should know.
nor accountable,
liar.
What's your
and it is
point?
not affordable either. Inflation has skyrocketed. So stop giving a bhashan. You do
You
not
are a
even
liar.
know basic data. Jaakar
You are a
Google.
liar.
What's your point?
Your Jal Jeevan Mission has no role in Telangana.
Can I-
Your Jal Jeevan Mission has no
Okay,
role.
I'm requesting both of you, please, we cannot have a shouting match. Can we please have people speak one at a time? Please make your point. What's your point?
Simple point is this. When it comes to development, when it comes to the economy, KCR has left the state in the throes of a debt burden. Point number one. Point number two, young school-going children have been subjected to corruption at the highest level, and the midday meal scheme, which they were tom-tomming about, is a disaster. The Dharani portal, which was supposed to rationalize land records, is a disaster. They were saying we will celebrate September 17th as Hyderabad Liberation Day. But when the BJP decided to do that, our senior leaders were actually put behind lockup. That is the kind of appeasement politics that they do. Look at our manifesto. We said that we will give a laptop to every college going girl. We did not say we will give laptop to only Hindus. But what has the BRS done? It has announced schemes which are specifically targeted to appease only the Muslims. What is the Congress doing? They are saying these schemes are meant only for Muslims. Whether it is giving 5 lakh worth of loan for higher education to Muslim girls, whether it is 1.6 lakh rupees which is to be given to minority girls who are getting married.
Okay,
BJP has
so
not made
basically
the
all
distinction.
these